that's cute. Got it?
Use your 2 hands, my love. 2 hands, man.
Good job, you're trying. You're getting it. You're getting it. Ah.
Yummy, huh?
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah. Ah. I know. That's what I was wondering. If you could talk. Yeah, you almost did it.
Yeah, eat this one.
Where's Bubba? No. Bubba, Daddy wants.
Oh, baby's so thirsty after all that food he didn't get in his mouth.
Thirsty. Look at he's looking at me. Very good.
What you need help with, buddy? Where'd he go? Where'd you go in there?
Gimme that. Treat? What?
You know why? You know
Yeah,
why
blah.
at training camp they practice out in the heat?
Hey, mommy. I just want to dance.
You love it. Yeah, maybe you. What's up? Buddy, say hi to Baba. Hey. Hey. What is that? What do you need? Oh my God, you're being funny. What do you need? You need a diaper change? Is that what you're showing me? He just grabs his diaper, puts it in his mouth. Yeah, that's not where it goes. That's not where it goes. You need a diaper change, or you need the milk? Here, put that in your mouth instead. Good boy. You're funny. Huh? You keep whining about. Jeez. Nice pose. Happy Son's Day. Or Happy Father's Day. Okay, Baba. Let's go to bed. Let's go. Hey, is that enough room for you? You got enough room on the bed? Is that enough room, monkey boy?
Clap your feet.
You gotta work tomorrow. Buddy. Hey, did you set your alarm? Buddy. Set your alarm for tomorrow? Huh? Did you? Huh? Can't afford to pay the water. I couldn't pay the water bill. We have no water. We have this. This is natural spring water. This is good. This is healthy for you. It's better than the rust that comes out of that the tub water. Real men love cats. Jump through the hoop. Oh, good job. Oh. Oh man, buddy, good job.
Just a little bit.
Way to jump through the hoop. Way to jump through the hoop. Good job. Oh, buddy. Oh, Jesus. You're incredible. Man, you're so agile. Did you used to be a gymnast? You get a treat for that. Good morning there, buddy. Oh, you just go in to come right back out, huh? That made a lot of sense.
Ladies, please stop asking Santa for the perfect man. This is the 3rd time this week he's tried to kidnap me.
No, you actually, you gotta take one from here and put it on top. You took the one from top and you threw it off.
Cheating. You cheater.
Yeah. Okay. Go like this. I'm gonna take this one. Put that on top there. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's too much fun, huh? Trying to get out?
No. I locked you out, Daddy. You can't get in.
Okay, you're funny, buddy. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. What you doing up there? You wanna stay in the car? You stay in there? You have more fun in the car than out here with nature. What's up with that?
True.
Buddy, let me in, please. Let me in. Why did you lock me out?
Let's start it up.
Oh, now you're gonna drive away. No. How are you gonna entertain us? What's huh? Girl, why are you wearing that? You're not a girl kitty, are you? Think he likes that, huh? It's cute. Like that? Huh? Like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. What are you wearing that for? What's the occasion? Huh? Is it a boy or a girl? Pretty boys walk like this. This. You get a treat for that one. Is it a boy or a girl, buddy? All the pretty boys walk like this. You tired of wearing that?
Take it off now. Don't forget to comment.
You bored out there? Yeah? So you want to come in? More fun in here, right? Is it? More fun in here? Yeah, because you're with Daddy. Let's go. Stop. Because I said so. Go. What's up, tired buddy? I'm not Mom. I'm Dad. I'm Daddy. You're not going back out. You already been out there for hours. Okay, zoomies! Dude, you were just out there. Seriously? Hey. No, you can't go. We gotta be disciplined here. Do you want to live inside or outside? You don't want to live... Ready? What's with all the monkey noises? Okay. You stuck? Oh shit, you need help? Here. Don't bite when I'm trying to help you, silly. There you go.
You get that mouse.
Shake it like a Polaroid.
What's that one thing in your house that you spent so much money on, but every day it just sits there?
Come on. Jump, you got it. You've done this before. You're a gymnast. Yay, 9.8. You okay? What's the matter? Embarrassed? What's wrong? Where's it? Get that. All right. Here. Good. Bring. Give here. Come on. Hey. Buddy. Come on. Get that little... He's jumping around like a little frog. Come on, we gotta... Yep. Buddy's gonna help you, Bubba.
Oh, look at the
Buddy.
tears. Oh.
Buddy. Oh. We were just kidding. Oh. Buddy's a little busy at the moment.
Were you dreaming? Run out of mouth?
He said, I gotcha. Why do you know everything that's funny? Are you a comedian, baby? Are you already a comedian? Huh? Huh, Baba? Who's the baby? What kind of PJs are you wearing? I don't want to deal with this. You got enough room on the bed? Is that enough room? Buddy, are you going out? He said, yeah. Walk like a Siberian tiger. A cat. What, you don't see it down there? Look. Look it. Look down. Cat. Oh my gosh, you're right. Whoa, you're super thirsty, huh? Drinking that milk all by yourself? Look at that. All on your own. Why do you use two hands, baby? Huh? Huh? What is it? Huh? What are you babbling, baby bubba boy? Are you peeing? You gotta pee. You're peeing.
Look at the big boy. Yeah, eating avocado right now.
Hold on to it. Good job. Okay. You love making that noise, huh? What does that mean? Huh? Ooh, baby dancing, huh? You must have pooped. Is that the poopy pants dance? Ah, poopy pants dance, huh? Ready to get up? Poopy pants. Like, share, and subscribe if you like cute babies. Who's the cutest monkey ever? Put it in your mouth. Good job. Oh,
Yeah.
you show off. Do you even know what you did? How'd you do that? How'd you do that? That was amazing. That was so cool. How'd you do that? That was smart. Smart baby. Yeah, there you go. He's like, yes. Remember this treat? Hmm? Yeah, swallow it. Here. Catch. Catch. Yeah. What was that? Zoomies? Zoomies for the baby? Let's take a nap. Good boy.
Night night.
Nice pose, yeah. Hold that pose. You bored? You look bored, huh?
Look. I just it's really Daddy, we go Daddy. Baba. We go eat.
Baba.
We go eat Daddy. Okay.
That's impressive. Got it?
Getting better every day.
Good job.
High
High
five.
five.
Dirty hand.
What's that? What's that? Yeah. What pose is that, huh? You a poser? Look at that pose. Huh? I was just here. I was just here 2 minutes ago. You remember me? You remember that? Why are you so excited? Louis, I love you, buddy. So loyal. Like, share, and subscribe.
Good morning, buddy.
Yeah, say good morning to buddy. Roll to him. Roll to buddy.
Good morning.
Roll to buddy. Here. Come on.
There he is. Oh, tail.
We knew you were gonna do that, huh? Buddy didn't know though. Huh?
Daddy.
Such a thirsty baby, huh? Thirsty, Baba. Beautiful baby boy. Hey, you ready for milk? Here. And it looks like he's praying. No, take out the pacifier.
Lord, baby Jesus, thank you
Baba,
for the
take out
milk.
the passy. Take out the pacifier.
No, I'm good.
Take out the pacifier. Baba. There you go.
Okay.
Now you got it.
Okay.
You got it. Like, share, and subscribe, baby lovers.
Daddy's eating that one too.
He's like, give me that.
Give me that. That's mine.
He's funny, Baba.
Beep beep.
Whoa, are you crawling all the way? You just crawled to your diaper? Is that a sign you want to put the diaper on yourself? You need diaper change, don't you? You guys having fun over here on the baby mat? In the baby gym? See that? Such a good day to hang out with my boys. I got my buddy and my Bubba. My best two boys here. My kid and my cat. My cat, my kid. Sometimes I get them mixed up.